Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back again. Today we're on a 2009 BMW 535i. As you can see, that little light right there, it's a malfunction. Alright, so let's go ahead and find out, figure out which one it is. So it gives you warnings, indications, if it's low on oil. As you know, the Beamers, most of the Beamers, the newer ones, this is the 09, so it's pretty old, but it doesn't have an oil dipstick to check the oil level. Alright, so in order to know that, sometimes I will give you a little warning right here, but if you don't know, as you can see right here, you're gonna have this tab right here. Just gonna select the center one. Let's go ahead and do that now. After that, let's go to settings. Wrong one. Let's go to info sources. Let's go to service info. Sometimes it'll give you right here messages right here. You just select that. As you can see, is the left side reverse lap. That's broken, so we're gonna have to replace that. But we're not really checking that out right now. At the moment, we're checking this one. Just more serious. Let's go and check the oil level. Okay, let's go back on this one. Let's go to status, oil level right here. Alright, so it's updating the measurement, the oil. But basically right here, once it reaches the oil level, on this one it's a minimum right now, so it gives us a message right here on the side right here to add 1 quart of oil because it is low. Alright, so I'm gonna add a quart of oil, but yeah, always use the correct oil. This one requires the 530, so I'm gonna add a 1 quart of 530. Alright, so yes, that's taken. So that's how you check the oil level on this cars, the Beamer, on the Beamers or BMW. Alright, so let's go to add the quart. Last thing you want to do is damage your engine, run it without oil. Alright, let's go to add the oil now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so after adding the 1 quart of oil, as you can see now, engine oil level, okay, it's right there, almost to the max.